Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use Zoho Vault. Open Vault, create an organization, and invite team members with clear roles. Add your first password entry using the Add button, fill site, username, and password fields, then save. Use folders to group credentials and set share permissions to control access. Enable two-factor authentication for extra security and test autofill across browsers and apps to confirm smooth access. In this video, I will show how to use Zoho Vault. When logging into a site, let the extension capture credentials, then edit fields for clarity and add notes like recovery steps. Use custom fields for serial numbers, API keys, or security questions when needed. Assign entries to specific users or teams with view or manage permissions. Regularly review and update weak or reused passwords to maintain strong security. In this video, I will show how to use Zoho Vault. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long password sessions with the Owala water bottle, which fits cup holders and has a leak-proof lid for worry-free sipping. It's a small comfort that helps you focus when securing accounts. If you want one, check the description for the link and other deals, and remember to subscribe and like if this helped. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to use Zoho Vault. For team access, create roles and assign users to control who can view or edit entries. Use shared folders for department credentials and apply granular permissions to each folder. When sharing externally, use secure links or temporary access to limit exposure. Check audit trails to spot unusual access and rotate credentials after role changes or suspected compromise.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.